what's up, everybody, and welcome. We are going to do a quick tutorial today on how to bridge from BNB network or BSC network to Pulse. This is our number one most requested bridging route, so we're going to cover it and make sure that everybody knows the best ways and best practices. So we're going to start on sparkswap.xyz. We'll go to trade, go down to bridge. All right, and then we are using the Rabi wallet today. Rabi is our favorite wallet. There is a referral link in the description below. It's super safe and very, very helpful. Rabi is great because it will automatically detect what network you're trying to use and use that RPC. You are more than welcome to use MetaMask, but you do have to update that manually, and it can be a pain. So we highly recommend Rabi. So again, we are bridging from BNB to Pulse, and we're actually going to receive Pulse. So if you're brand new to Pulsechain, it's very important because you need gas to be able to transact on Pulse. So we select BSC, again, the different networks, the from chain or origin chain. We'll select DAI. You can also choose EMP. And then down here, Pulse. And we will go to Pulse. SDI is the best to use if you already have Pulse on Pulse because of the gas fees. The SDI DAI is the most liquid pair, and SDI is our fully collateralized stable token on Spark. But for this example, we're using, again, DAI to Pulse. We'll hit max, and it says we're going to get approximately 142,877 Pulse for our $22. So now we'll hit send. Alright, and that transaction has gone through. We can check Rabi that transaction went through. And yep, there it is. So we can see we're sending 22 DAI into the contract, and we will receive that amount on the other side in Pulse. You can look right here in your transactions on Rabi. That's another reason why we recommend Rabi. But I'll also show you how to do it on DBank as well. So let's head on over there. All right, and here we are over on DBank where you can check your transactions manually. You're just going to go ahead and type in your address at the search bar in the top. It will pull this up. It's also a really great way to check your portfolio. Again, that's all blurred out, but if you are trying to track where your money is overall, DBank has an amazing product, and they are the same team behind Rabi, so that's why Rabi is so great, is because it integrates all this right in the wallet. But anyway, this will be your home screen. You're going to go to transactions, which is right here, and make sure that you are on all chains over here. And then you can see the transaction went through. Again, we sent the $22. Well, we bought it on PancakeSwap, and then we sent the $22 through our contract, and then through the bridge, and then it gave us the equivalent amount of Spark, and it took about 1 minute to complete. So, pretty awesome stuff. Remember that our bridge is about under 5 minutes average, but sometimes it can take up to an hour. So please be patient. If you are experiencing wait times beyond an hour, it should automatically refund you on the origin chain, wherever you started. And if it doesn't within an hour, please reach out to our Telegram. We have a bunch of great admins that will help you out. Never ever respond to any DMs or connect to a site that that the scammer will tell you to. That's a support site or something like that. We'll never ask you to connect to anything. All we ask for is your public wallet address. All right, everything's great. And that is how you bridge from BNB to PLS. So thank you all for watching. And if, again, you have any other questions, please join our Telegram. And we take our security very seriously. So a lot of security measures are in place to protect the bridge. And we feel that the bridge is not only the cheapest, the safest, but the fastest as well. So, all right, please share this video with your friends and encourage them to onboard to PLS through the BNB chain. And again, thanks for watching.